Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. Today we will be talking on the concept of Bhagavad Gita on Bhakti, that is devotion. What is the importance of devotion in life to achieve the Lord? And what are the characteristics of a devotee, true devotee of God? So in this context, on 11th chapter 54th sloka, after showing the four-armed Shankha Chakra Gada Padma Chaturbhuja feature of Lord Krishna to Arjuna, he has told, Naham Vede na tapasa na danena na chaijya sakyang evam vidhan drushtuma simang jata. Whatever you saw right now, it cannot be achieved with a penance. Naham by study of Vedas, by penance, by tapasa and ijjaya by way of jagya. So only by charity also, by dana, it cannot be achieved. Only by a strict devotion unto me, undaunted devotion unto me. That is the only secret how to see me, how to enter into me, and how to feel me. So, bhaktya to ananya sakyam aham evam vidho arjuna gyatun drustuncha tattvena praveshtuncha parantapaha. Through single-minded devotion to God, one can know the essence of God, one can have an entrance unto Him, and one can see Him physically. If not like Arjuna, but one can feel Him physically, see Him physically in some way or the other. So this is what is devotion. So, what is the characteristic of a devotee? Devotion, this is importance of devotion have been covered. What is the characteristic of a true devotee of God? In this context, on 12th chapter, 13 and sloka to 19th sloka, 39 qualities of devotee, a true devotee has been highlighted by Lord Krishna. Out of that, those are Advesta Sarvabhutanang Maitraha Karuna Evacha Nirmama Nirahankara Samadukha Sukhakyami Santustaha Satatang Yogi Jatatma Drudha Nischaya Majjarpita Manobuddhi Joma Bhakta Same Priya. That means he who performs, who do not maintain any malice to any living being. Advesta Sarvabhutanang Maitraha Karuna Evacha, who is having friendly relationship with and compassionate relationship with all living beings, and free from feeling of I and mine. Nirmamo nirahankara, samadukha sukhakyami, balanced in joy and sorrow, and forgiving. Samadukhyami means forgiving in nature, and ever contented. Santustaha satatang yogi jatatma drudha nischaya majjarpita manobuddhi joma bhakta same priyaha. So, ever contented in mind and mentally united with me. Majjarpita manobuddhi joma bhakta, that devotee is the true devotee of God. And on 15th sloka has told, Lord Krishna has told, Jasman no udvijate loko, loko no udvijate chachaha, harsam harsa bhayo udvegehi mukta jo sachame priyaha. He who is not a source of annoyance to any of the fellow creatures, nor is get perturbed or vexed with any annoyant behavior of any person, and is fearless and free from delight, envy and perturbation. He is who is fearless, he only is the true devotee of God. So these are the characteristics of a true devotee. And on 16th sloka, Lord Krishna has told, Anapeksha suchirdakya udasina gatavyatha sarvarambha parityagi jo madbhakta same priyaha. So he who expects nothing, anapeksha, no apeksha, anapeksha suchirdakya, both internally and externally pure suchi, and is wise, daksha, and impartial, anapekya suchirdakha udasina gatavyatha, impartial, and above all distractions, gatavyatha, and renounces this sin, from the doership, virtue of doership. I am the owner. No, God is the owner of everything. And in all undertakings, if you take the doership, your karma bandhana will be enhanced, and you cannot be true devotee of God. And next comes jo na hrusyati na dvesti na sochati na kankhati subha subha parityagi bhaktiman jas same priya. So, who neither rejoices nor hates in any situation, nor grieves, nor desires anything, and renounces both good and evil actions, and full of devotion, he is the true devotee to me. Samas satrau cha mitre cha tatha mana apamane sitoshna sukha dukkhesu samassanga vivarjita tulya ninda stutir mauni santushto jena kenachit aniketa sthiramati bhaktiman jo same priya. So, those who are equal, maintain equanimity, equal with friends and foes, maintain the same temperament and alike in all heat and cold, pleasure and pain. So, they are the great devotees. And takes praise. One will praise you, will be delighted. No. One will condemn you, you will be feeling sorry. No. That is not the quality of a devotee, a true devotee. Reproach like condemnation, and is available. Sense of ownerness is not there, and no, if it doesn't have a house, it doesn't bother, because whichever state I am there, I am happy. God has allowed me this state. This is the thinking of true devotee. So tulya ninda stutir mauni santushto jena kenachit, every time is well contented, and aniketa sthiramati bhaktiman jo same priya. Even if it doesn't have a house, it does not bother. Sthiramati, he is always very cool in temperament, devoted to me. Those are the real ones. Jetu dharmamrutam idyam jathoktam parjipasete sraddhadhana matparama bhaktaste ativa me priya. Those devotees are very devoted to me. I love them very much. This is the concept of the characteristic of a true devotee. 39 qualities of a devotee has been beautifully highlighted from 13th to 19th sloka of 12th chapter Bhagavad Gita. Hari Om Tat Sat.